Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Management E-Learning. Here you will get all topics of management. Myself Sivanjali Singh, thanks for joining. Today's session on market segmentation. In this session, we will see what is segmentation, what is STP, types of segmentation with example. What is market segmentation? Market segmentation is dividing the potential market into subgroups based on some types of shared characteristic. The shared characteristic may be age, gender, income, education, lifestyle. So on the base of this shared characteristic, marketer divide the potential market into subgroup to optimize their marketing, advertising and sell effort is called market segmentation. Market segmentation is the activity of dividing a broad consumer or business market, normally consisting of existing and potential customers, into subgroup of consumer based on some types of sale characteristic. Market segmentation make it easier for marketer to personalize their marketing campaigns. Market segmentation is a business practice that brands use to divide their target market into a smaller, more manageable group of people based on common ground they share to optimize their marketing, advertising, and sell efforts. These are the types of marketing segmentation. On the base of this type, marketer do segmentation. Demographic, psychographic, behavioral, geographic. Geographic segmentation. Geographic segmentation is when business divide its market on the base of geography. Here, marketer divide market on the base of population, density, country, city, village, urban, rural, climate, weather. This example here. Here, KFC divide India market in two parts, South India and North India. In South Indian prefer vegetarian product. So KFC provide vegetarian product to South India. And here North Indian prefer non-veg product. For them they have the chicken varieties in product. So KFC divide their market according to geographic on the base of taste and preference. So same like in rural area, mostly people wash their clothes with hand. So for them they have different detergent, and the people who use washing machine, for them they have the different detergent. So according to on this basis they do segmentation. McDonald's also divide their market into geographic segmentation. For example, different countries, state, region, cities, McDonald's sell their burger and target local market and with customized menu. In India, instead of using the beef, McDonald's burger are made from chicken due to religious belief. McDonald's already introduced Maharaja Mac burger with no beef and pork due to Hindu Muslim population. So according to taste and preference, the McDonald's or KFC, they customize their menu. Demographic segmentation. Marketer divide market on the base of demographic profile. They segment on base age, gender, income, education, family life cycle, religion, socio-economic status. So on the base of this profile, they do segmentation. We see example. Two-wheeler or automobile industry divide their market on the base of gender. They add some color as based on gender, some features. So according to gender, they customize their product and sell in market. Another example, is toothpaste. Based on age, they divide. For kids, they have the other flavor or other content in toothpaste. For youth, they have other. For sensitive skin, they have others. So according to their segmentation, they do campaign also. Here, Horlicks also do segmentation on the base of age. For junior, they have the junior Horlicks. For kids, and they have here age-based segmentation. For 2 to 4 years, they have junior. 4 to teenage, they have the kids Horlicks. For women, they have women's Horlicks. And for protein, who want protein, they have the protein plus Horlicks. So according to based on age, they divide their market segment. Let's see Horlicks advertisement according to their target market. So we see advertisement one by one. This is a Horlicks for junior.
खाना अधूरा तो पोषण भी अधूरा ना, इसीलिए जूनियर हॉर्लिक्स जो रोज के खाने के साथ पोषण पूरा करने में मदद करे, ताकि तोजो को मिले A to Z पोषण।
This Horlicks advertisement target the women.
लगभग 2 में से 1 महिला को आर्थराइटिस हो सकती है लो बोन डेंसिटी। तो क्या वो एक आप तो नहीं? लो बोन डेंसिटी से बोन्स कमजोर हो सकती हैं। आज से विमेंस हॉर्लिक्स विद कैल्शियम और विटामिन डी जो बोन्स को हेल्दी बनाए रखने के लिए जरूरी है। इसलिए मैंने चुना विमेंस हॉर्लिक्स। स्टे स्ट्रांग।
Here, Horlicks target the protein required customer.
दिल तो चाहे पर बॉडी न माने। कुछ ही कदम और स्ट्रेंथ लगे खत्म। अरे 30 के बाद मसल लॉस सबका होता है। यू नीड हॉर्लिक्स प्रोटीन प्लस। इसके ट्रिपल ब्लेंड फॉर्मूला में है 3 हाई क्वालिटी प्रोटीन और हाईएस्ट प्रोटीन जो ताकत के लिए बनाए रखे मसल हेल्थ। हॉर्लिक्स प्रोटीन प्लस, चूज द बेटर प्रोटीन।
So here we see our advertisement product positioning their target customer. By the help of advertisement agency, marketer position their product to the target customer. Please follow my channel for psychographic and behavioral market segmentation, part 2, chapter 4 of marketing segmentation, of marketing management. Thank you for watching.